Today we're at the racetrack with Crybaby Performance, and when your gear and chain start to go bad, that's what it sounds like. The sprocket is starting to get worn out, the chain is starting to stretch, and over here, this is what it should sound like. Be nice and smooth, be able to roll that right over, keep it spinning. That's what it should be like. And when we come over here, this is our worn out gear. You can see the teeth are all curled over. And here's our worn out chain, which you can practically bend into U, even though it's still super flexible, you know, in that regard, but it's stretched about 1 inch. So replace your chain often, check your gears often. You don't want to be at the racetrack and have the teeth grind off it and just start spinning. Thanks for watching our Crybaby video. We try, they cry.